Excited to move in your newly renovated home? Don't be in a hurry just yet. You could put your health at risk if you don't have your home professionally cleaned first. Renovations can leave behind various dangers that can cause injuries and illnesses. For instance, you could breathe in dust and fumes that could result in respiratory diseases or even cancer. Leftover debris like wood, tiles, and glass shards can lead to accidents. There could also be flammable waste that can pose fire hazards if you don't remove them. But you can protect your household if you have cleaning experts tidy up after your home renovation. They can handle delicate surfaces without damaging them. This is because they're properly trained and equipped to do their jobs properly. They also have the protective gear to help them safely and thoroughly check all your rooms for dangerous materials. This ensures that the whole place is truly hygienic and ready for moving back in. With a living space that's safe and comfortable to be in, you and your family can finally breathe easy and enjoy your revamped home. So save yourselves the time and effort. Let the professionals handle the post-renovation cleaning. With a job as exhausting and risky as this, taking the DIY route would be unwise. Give yourself the peace of mind you deserve. If you ever need your home cleaned properly, Kung Fu Helper is here for you. Our team will get your place move-in ready before you know it.